If you're manually editing every Shopify product before sending it to Google Merchant Center, there's a much faster way. Feed rules let you automatically update titles, descriptions, prices, labels, and much more without touching every product individually. Let me show you exactly how it works.
Start by opening the Wixpa Google Shopping Feed app and choose the feed where you want to apply your rules. And let me tell you one thing clearly, these feed rules are available only in this Google Shopping Feed app. So make sure to watch the video completely. Navigate to Feed Rule and click Create Feed Rule to start building a new rule. Every feed rule has two parts, a condition that tells the app when the rule should run, and an action that defines what changes should be applied. Select the attributes you want to modify, and then choose the appropriate rule accordingly. For example, I'm selecting title, and then I want to replace it with brand. You can see these feed rules here, and you can choose to add any of these according to your preferences and requirements. Now I'm selecting brand because I want to join my title with my brand name. After that, you have to decide if you want to apply the rule to all products or specific products only. For specific products, you will click Only If. Right now, I'm going with Only If option. First, choose the attribute you want to work with. This could be your product title, description, vendor, product type, tags, availability, price, or many other supported attributes. Then choose the condition that matches your requirement. For example, contains, equals, starts with, ends with, or other available operators. Now enter the value that should trigger the rule. You can target specific words, brands, collections, or any product information depending on your campaign strategy. This makes it easy to update only the products you actually want. You can replace text, append new information, prepend keywords, or perform other supported modifications. Instead of editing products manually, Wixpa automatically applies these changes while generating your feed. You can also create multiple rules for the same feed. This is useful if you want to optimize different product groups separately. For example, adding promotional keywords to one collection while modifying another collection for seasonal campaigns. But right now, I'm going with only one condition. After finishing your rules, simply save the configuration. Whenever your feed updates, Wixpa automatically applies every rule before sending the data to Google Merchant Center. There's no need to edit products again inside Shopify. Feed rule is in draft right now. Select your feed and then apply. Feed rule is active now. Now let's verify it. Open any product and check whether the feed rule has been applied or not. You can see there is no brand name attached with our title. So let's refresh the page. And finally, you can see our brand name has been attached with our title. You can see our brand name was Test. So it has been added here. Feed rules help you maintain a cleaner product feed, improve campaign organization, and save hours of repetitive work. It's one of the most useful automation features inside Wixpa Google Shopping Feed.
That's how you can automate product feed optimization using feed rules in Wixpa Google Shopping Feed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.